2.5, I guess. I'm halfway through Unit 4. I gotta remember and relearn my OSI table. That sucks. There's one to the dash cam.
Update all this shit before I start. Oh my god! What was that?
You're on the wrong side of the road.
Is that a motorcycle?
No, it's a car.
Ashlyn Deloe has this.
After Hurricane Florence damaged the Stanley White Recreation Center in 2018, the city applied for FEMA's Public Assistance Grant Program to rebuild. Now,
What the man?
A public meeting will be held to provide an
Holy
overview of the environmental
that was
effects and
close.
collect public comments. Project Manager Reggie Scales.
So Andrew's work van, it's like the 94, and it was originally a sheriff's van like that, and it is disgusting.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah. Apparently they're getting a new van for work for what he does in his division. But like, I saw it the other day, and I'm like, oh, it looks like something out of a cartoon. Like parts of it are falling off. Like if you go over and open a door, something inside falls out.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no prisoners in there. That's okay. I don't want to hurt the prisoners. Cop or not, dude, you drive like shit. Come on, dude. What's the purpose for the stop?
You were tailgating me the whole way.
No, I wasn't. You were driving under the speed limit.
Under the speed limit.
You were. You're driving unsafely under the speed limit.
Unsafely.
You're braking, checking me. Got it all on camera.
I never broke checked you.
Yeah,
I was
you
just
did.
driving slowly.
Driving slowly under the speed limit.
Up on me. Okay, we can argue about it.
We can. I have it on camera.
That's fine. Can I have your document?
I want your badge number and identification.
My badge number's right there, sir.
What is that?
Right there.
Sorry, I'm dyslexic.
217.
Okay, and your name?
Feeney.
You have a ID card or
May I
business
have your
card?
ID card?
Can I have your business card first?
I don't have a business card.
You don't have a business
No,
card?
I just told you my name and gave you
Okay.
your badge number. May I have your information, please? Is there anything, reason to be that excited about it?
No, that's the old one. You don't want that one.
If you want to talk about being safe, what you did when you passed me was unsafe by taking your hands off the wheel, sir.
I never took my hands off the wheel. Both.
Sure you did.
I had one hand on the wheel still.
That's fine. But you were so enraged by
you driving under the speed limit, creating an unsafe situation.
I was creating an unsafe situation.
You were.
By slowing down on the ramp, right?
Slowing down. You've been slowing down the whole way you were in front of me.
No, sir.
Then you were brake checking.
No, sir. No, sir.
You were staring at me the whole time.
No, sir. I was slowing down.
Were you not? Because I have it all on camera.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. You came up on me at a high rate of speed.
Was it a high rate of speed? I was following the speed limit.
When?
The whole time.
On the ramp.
The whole time.
No, I'm talking about when we came over the bridge.
The whole time.
Okay, that's fine. I don't understand why you have to be so like you when I walk up here, you're telling me that I'm being unsafe.
You were being
unsafe.
unsafe.
You took your hands off the wheel to give me the finger on the way by me.
Totally
right?
legal to give you the finger.
That's fine, but you took your hands off the wheel and you flew by
It was
me.
one hand, sir.
I
saw
one
him
hand
do
on the
it.
wheel, and there's no
On the wheel.
finger.
One
That's
finger.
fine. I'm just telling
He
you.
can still have a hand on the wheel and still be
that's
driving.
Fine. That's fine.
I'm not trying to be ignorant to you, but sir,
You're
I'm
being-
not.
you're being a jag. I got the whole fucking thing on camera.
I'm not calling anybody names.
I got the whole thing
As soon
on
as I
camera.
walk up, you
How
start
do
screaming
I?
at me.
Because I want to know what breach of the peace I committed. Have a great day.
Okay, so like, I'm not trying to lecture anybody. You guys are calling me names. I was just, you guys were obviously, I know you're going to disagree with me. You guys tailgated me over the ramp, right? Okay. And then whenever I walk up here, then you're screaming, yelling me, calling you names. I never called you any names. I was trying to
Because
be
you're
respectful.
retaliatory, because I gave you the
I'm
bird.
not retaliating.
You are. I gave you the bird,
Sir.
like I would give any other driver on the
That's
highway.
fine. You have the right to do so, like you said. You can
It's
give somebody
my
the bird
First
if you want
Amendment.
to. But you also tailgating me, and
If I was, you would have called the local police officer.
why would I call a local police?
Because you have no jurisdiction to stop me. I haven't committed a misdemeanor or a
I have no
felony.
jurisdiction to stop
I've
you.
not committed a crime.
I can enforce the vehicle code, sir.
Okay? But all I'm saying is, you were going slow.
I'm not going to argue with you about semantics over the law because you're
Okay.
telling me I have no jurisdiction to stop you. I understand what you're saying. I'm just telling you to go on your way and not tailgate people anymore.
Okay.
If that's okay, if that's fair.
Okay.
Is
I
that
appreciate
fair?
it. Thank you.
Is that fair?
Yep.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.